'cause we're aiming high.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we are going to be taking a look at how to use Canva to make your YouTube thumbnails. Canva is a free and paid website which you can use to make an assortment of things. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So to start with the basics, all you need to do is go over to canva.com and then you will be greeted with this page. So once you are greeted with this page, all you need to do is go over to this top corner and click on sign up and go ahead and create an account. After registering for an account, just go over to the top and click on create a design. Now in the search bar, paste in YouTube thumbnail and make sure to select the first result. Once you do so, it will automatically create a file, and this is the interface of Canva. The first feature we'll be taking a look at are the templates. Now once you click on this little icon saying templates, you will get a lot of templates. Because Canva is also a paid thing, you need to select the one which has a little display icon saying free. So in case I select this one, you'll be greeted with this, and if I select the text, you will be greeted with a bunch of effects. The next section we'll be taking a look at are the elements. Now in this, there are options to implement lines and shapes, graphics, photos, videos, play some audio in the background, charts, frames and grids to personalize your images. However, for YouTube thumbnails, videos and music are not really advisable as they do not show a still motion picture, but the others are utilizable to your needs. If you would like to upload some images, videos and audio yourself, all you need to do is click on this little button and you can open the file explorer and choose the files you would like to upload. So keep in mind that you can upload multiple files at once, so this makes it much easier. The photos are pretty much the same as the elements. You can implement these photos in your thumbnails or you could upload them. This is suiting the nature and the video which you are making the YouTube thumbnail on. Now, in case you do not like the text provided in the template and you would like to add your own text, you can choose some presets from the text panel. For example, I like this neon glitch effect and I can always import it over here. I can change the sizing of the text and I can even type in my own thing, such as I can type in hello. And as usual, you can change the effects on the text, or you can just leave it as it is if you like the look of it. The last two panels are on audio and on some more app integrations you can integrate your thumbnail with. However, these are more suited to video and audio clips, so these are not recommended if you want to make a YouTube thumbnail. Now, if I want to apply effects to this piece of text over here, I just need to select it and there'll be a bunch of options over here. Now, to change the font family, I just need to click on this drop down menu and I can able to change it to my preferred family. To change the font size, I just need to either increase the font size by clicking on this plus button, or decrease the font size by clicking the minus symbol. Now to change the font color, it is also self-explanatory by choosing the preferred color and changing it. Now if I want to make my text bold or italics, I just need to interact with these two buttons. The alignment of the text can also be changed. Either I can make it left, right or center. I can even make the text into a bullet point or a number depending on the amount of text I have on my thumbnail. I can even adjust the letter spacing in case it seems too cramped up and I want to increase the space and make it more neat. The effects are more similar. All you need to do is select your preferred effect. Since I want to add a shadow, I can select this one. I can mess around with the advanced tools. I can even change the color, make it neon or make it a glitched effect, and I can even curve the text according to the image in case I want so. There are also animation button, but this is not useful as it won't display on a YouTube thumbnail. If you click on the three dots, it will bring up a bunch of these, which is like for example copying the style, underlining the text or making it uppercase or lowercase according to your liking. The position of the text can also be changed manually. I can either make it to the top, the middle or the bottom, and the transparency can be adjusted as well. Last but not least, if I do not like this text, I can go ahead and click on the dustbin, which deletes it automatically. In case I want to add effects to this image, all you need to do is just select the image and you'll be greeted with a bunch of options. For example, I can either change the color of the image, make it a block color, or I can add effects to the image where I can change the tone, add it on the computer screen called smart markups, and you can even add a glitch effect. There are some other options as well which is used for your style of the thumbnail. To add filters to the image and adjust the tone, I just need to click on my preferred setting and adjust the intensity. Adjustment are some additional options, for example the brightness, contrast, saturation and a bunch of other things. Cropping the image is also another useful tool where I can crop the image or move the position. All I need to do is click on done when I'm happy with my selection. Flipping the image according to liking is also a feature. As with the text, I can adjust the position manually, change the transparency, copy the style or lock it on the screen. Now, if I'm not happy with the background and I want this image only to be the background, I just need to right click and click set image as background. So it should work if you have a random screen and it is just a white document. If I am happy with my finished product, I can either click on these three dots and directly share it with my social media, or either if I want to download this image as a PNG or a JPG, I just need to click download. Best file format which I suggest is also PNG, and I can always click on download. Now it will show a little progress bar saying that you're downloading the file, and it will automatically pop up the file explorer to choose your location once you have downloaded it. So that was it for the short and quick Canva tutorial. In case you want more videos on Canva, subscribe, leave a like and ring the notification bell for more updates. Join my Discord server to get first-hand information on my YouTube videos and my other social media. Other than that, see you in the next video. Bye.